Well, I've been challenged. And I also got a challenge for you guys as well, so stick around. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this episode of Homebuilt Workshop. Today, I've been issued a challenge. My buddy Thomas over at the Watch and Learn YouTube channel has sent me a package here. We're gonna pop this guy open and see what's inside. I kind of got an idea of what this might be, but let's check it out. Oh, wow. Have you guys figured out what all this is yet? These are parts for building an acoustic guitar. Got a neck blank, some sides, top and back. A while back, Thomas got a hold of me and we talked for a while about guitar building and stuff. He was explaining to me how he was in the beginning stages and learning the process himself at the same time and challenged me to build an acoustic guitar. Now, Thomas wasn't the first person to challenge me about building an acoustic. I have some other local friends who build as well, and they keep kind of nudging me to do the same. So I guess with all these parts here, we're gonna have to call this part one of the acoustic guitar build here at Homebuilt Workshop. Now, somewhere in here is a set of plans that we can work off of. Yeah, so there it is. I've been challenged to build an acoustic guitar. Now, this is not gonna be a project that I'm gonna knock out over the next couple of videos. Not at all the case. I'm kind of looking at this as really throughout the year, by the end of the year, to have this guitar built. And if it goes quicker than that, cool, but that's the way I'm approaching it. At the moment, I don't have the first clue as to where I need to go next with this project. I need to spend some time really going through what all's here and learning more about the process. I am nowhere near set up. I don't have molds. I don't have any of that sort of thing to move on to the assembly. So I'm going to have to incorporate probably building the molds maybe as one of the videos or something like that. Like I said, I'm not exactly sure what I even need to do first. So I'm going to reach out to some friends of mine for some advice, and also I'm going to do some studying on the craft of building acoustic instruments, and we're going to kind of get this sorted out. And like I said, it's going to be a very long process, I think, because I just need to learn a lot before we really jump in and start making any sort of cuts or anything like that. Man, I'm excited already. I don't even know what to do next. But the parts sure look cool. Thomas, these things look great. Nice, I can't wait to get into this a little bit more and start figuring out what all's here, what all I need to do next. I'm excited. It's going to be a journey for me, a learning experience. I know there's skills and techniques in here that I've never done before, but I think we can pull this one off. So I got to give a huge shout out to Thomas for sending me all of these bits and pieces and parts and stuff. Thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. If you guys want to check out Thomas's channel, it's a Watch and Learn YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link down below in the description. He's also just getting started over on his channel as well and trying to get the ball rolling and producing some video content over there, but link in the description if you want to check out Thomas. Also, I said I got a challenge for you guys. As we are early in the year for 2022, I want to challenge you guys, not necessarily to build an acoustic guitar, although if that's what you want to do, I will challenge you to do that. But really, I want you guys to think outside the box a little bit. Challenge yourself with some sort of a project for this year. Let's all try to learn some sort of new skill. It doesn't have to be instrument making. It could be leatherworking. It could be whatever kind of woodworking you want to do. But I want to challenge you guys to look outside of your normal projects. What's that skill that you've been wanting to develop? Maybe it's welding. Who knows? Maybe it's chip carving, spoon making. I don't know what that is, but whatever that project is that you've really been wanting to try, I challenge you guys to jump in and give it a try this year. Learn whatever skills you need to learn, get whatever tools you might need to acquire for that. But I'm going to challenge you guys to step outside your comfort zone a little bit and try that thing that you've been wanting to try. That's my challenge for you guys for this year, as we have the entire year of 2022 ahead of us. Let's make it cool. Let's take it as an opportunity to learn some new things, try some new things, build some new skills, and all of us will be better in our craft overall if we get outside of our comfort zone and try some new stuff. So there you have it. I challenge you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. I guess it's kind of an unboxing. Part 1 of the acoustic guitar build at Home Built Workshop. Don't worry, there will be more. Take care, guys. We'll see you next time. I challenge you, and 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 you, all of you, collectively. Go learn something new. Do it. Just do it. You know you want to. Don't be afraid. Take the time. Learn what you need to learn. Do the thing that you've been wanting to do. You're officially challenged.